In class 12 business studies, we are on chapter number 3 and the name of chapter is business environment. Earlier we left that chapter because there were some changes according to CBSE. So I left when I was teaching you. After chapter 2, we started chapter 4 because some part was deleted by the CBSE. And as you know, the business environment is the study of environment, study of our surroundings. So according to me, that was some changes in that chapter. That's why I left this chapter. And according to CBSE also, for this year, they removed, deleted various topics from this chapter. Okay, so today we are going to start business studies, chapter 3, business environment. And first of all, I want to tell you, we are having 5 dimensions. 5 dimensions which are affecting our daily life, which are affecting the environment, society, and especially the business environment. So first of all, before starting this chapter, you should have in mind 5 keywords. Staple. Staple means social, technological, political, legal, economical. Economical part will be more because we are on the topic business environment. And as I taught you in class 11, business is an economic activity. Purposely, I want to show you that this is a circle. We are living in this environment and 5 dimensions are affecting us. These 5 components, 5 directions, 5 dimensions affects the business environment as well. So first, social, technological, political, legal, economical. These 5 dimensions change the business environment, change the scenario, change our life also. So first of all, what is business environment? I am going to explain you, then we will discuss these 5. See, the business environment. Environment refers to the surrounding in which a person or organization operates. So environment, the first key term of this chapter is environment, and environment means the surroundings in which person or organization operates. And business environment means these 5: political, social, economical, technological, legal, outside the firm with which we live. So environment refers to our surroundings. See, surroundings, various things, various dimensions are affecting us. So we are going to study our surroundings in this chapter. It includes environment. Business environment includes suppliers, customers, competitors, financiers, shareholders, owners, investors, and government, with which the firm has to deal in order to achieve its goal. So the environment which the business will face includes suppliers, customers, competitors, financiers, etc. So today, see, business environment opportunities, giving them opportunities as well as they are giving threats. Now, afterwards, we will study the importance and features, but before that, we should study this topic first in this chapter. Why? Because this is the basic topic by which you can understand this chapter. Dimensions or factors of business environment. See, this is the dimension. Just now I made on the screen. If you want to see on your slide, you can see this is the business environment. Staple, social, technological, political, legal, and economical. Or you can start with economical. It is interrelated. That's why I made in this form. See, social environment affects economic. Political environment affects economic and social. Technological environment affects our life, social environment. Technological environment affects economic environment also. So we can say all are interrelated and interdependent. That's why we can make it this way. You can start from E also. You can start for L also because all are same. Now, first of all, economic environment. Economic policies of government may affect the business, may adversely affect. So, economic environment is the basic environment which affects business, which affects social life. In economic environment, you can write, please write all the topics which are related with economy also. Income, consumption, savings, disposable income, national income, investment, bank interest rate, tax rate, everything will be in economic environment. Okay, I am writing, you can write in economic environment. Income, consumption, savings, investment, interest rate, tax rate, GDP, national income. Yes, all are the components of economic environment. Okay, now next, after economic environment, social environment. You can see the slide. Social environment, I am showing you these two environments, entirely different, my dear children. Look at the screen, then you will be able to understand. Both the sides, I am sure you must understand. Both the sides have different social environment. Agree or not? Ashlan? 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 Shall I remove you, beta? Why you switch off your videos frequently? Social environments. You can see the slides. These two environments are showing entirely different status, entirely different lifestyle. So social environment is made up of population, trends, individual needs. Harshvardhan, copy it down better. And cultural factors. The business should adopt a strategy which should be suitable for social and cultural environment. See, in social environment, we can tell you the festivals, religions, lifestyle, customs, traditions, beliefs, social values, everything affects our social environment. See, social environment, we can say lifestyle of people, education of people. I am giving you one example. McDonald's never opened their franchisee and their outlets in villages. Why? Due to social environment, because the villagers, the people in rural areas don't prefer fast food. That's why McDonald's always open their outlets, open their franchisee in metro cities, in urban areas, in cities. This is the social environment. I'm giving you one more example. During festivals, like I'm giving you the example of Diwali in India, people buy new dresses, sweets, electrical appliances, vehicles, and that time the demand of these products increased due to festivals. This is also included in social environment. Agree? So what are the components of social environment? Now I am telling you. Look at the screen now. Social environment includes festival, religion, custom, tradition, festival, religion, custom, tradition, etc. Now come on technological environment. As you already aware, technological environment is changing very fast. That's why production method and services are also changing very fast. New instruments, new producers are developing rapidly. They are coming in the market very fast as technology is changing. Rianshi, please note down the notes. Technology is changing very fast. See, you can see the teaching methodology. Teaching pedagogy is also going to change. Now we are teaching online. It is possible just because of technological environment. Harshvardhan, show me your copy, beta. So, technological environment is changing very fast. New products are coming with advanced features, advanced technology, new techniques. Say if someone is ready to give you the phone model of 1990, you will not think. Why we are changing our cell phones very fast? Yes. Why we are changing our electrical appliances? Why we are changing our TV, AC or vehicles? Why we change ourselves? Because that is due to technological environment. See, you can see black and white TV is replaced by color TV. Then color TV is also replaced by screen. Now, so daily you can see new technology is coming. So technological environment is changing the pattern of services also. Work from home, that is possible due to technological environment. Online teaching, that is possible through technological environment. Now you can see, pizza is delivered through drone. That is also technological environment. Anushka, agree with my point? Technological environment is changing our lives very fast, rapidly than political environment. Political environment includes political parties, ruling parties, their ideology, types of government, stability of the government, and best of all, policy of the government. Like you can see the present Indian government or the present political environment is favorable to our business environment. Vocal for local, Make in India, the import substitution, export promotion, all are the policies of the government which are beneficial for the business, and these all will be termed as political. See, my dear children, if there is instability, government is changing very fast. Okay? If the ideology of the government is old and outdated, if the policy of the government is not favorable, the business cannot. So for the business environment, the political environment is also affected. And further, I will explain you new economic policy, LPG. Okay. Now last is legal environment. Legal environment means all the act, law, rules by court, imposed by court, in which there may be some penalty. So maybe these rules imposed by a central government or state government, these are legal environment. The laws, act, and all the members must follow. Now I am giving you the example of recent scenario. Now Dubai government imposed 200 dirhams penalty if someone has not wear the mask. So this is legal environment because that is in their law. They have to follow it. Okay, like here, if you break the law of red light at traffic light, then also you have to pay some penalty. If you have not wear the helmet, then there will be penalty. So all the law, like if someone got the damaged product, they can change according to Indian Consumer Protection Act. Indian Companies Act 1956 replaced by 2013. Income Tax Act is there, Trademark Act is there, Indian Partnership Act is there. So various acts are under legal environment. So today we completed these 5 dimensions. I am going to explain you again. If you want to note down, these are the factors or dimensions of business environment: economic, social, technological, political, and legal. See, economic environment, which is helpful in the business, and I gave you the examples of economic environment like income, consumption, savings. These are the social environment, which is related with the cultural and individual needs, society, technological. Technological environment is changing our life very fast. Even the methods of production and services are changing. Political environment means policies of the government, rules, ideology of the government. Legal environment means the environment which is related with the code, with the rules of for the society, different act, etc. Now, my dear children, now you will be able to understand the economic environment. Economic environment includes income, consumption, saving, investment, interest rate, tax rate, GDP, national income, all will be under economic environment. Then social environment related with society. Fashion, festival, religion, custom, tradition, all the factors which are related with the society, education level, health facilities, lifestyle, belief system, everything is in social. Then technological. Why Japan's technology is better than Pakistan, better than India? Due to technological environment. They spend on research and scientific work. They have advanced technological methods. They have advanced technology in every field. They are doing daily, they are searching new features, new technology. Then political, ruling party, opposition party, ideology of the party, stability of the government, everything affects business environment. Now, legal environment. Legal environment means different laws, whether imposed by central government or state government. Yes, like curfew due to corona pandemic, various legal laws, various legal restrictions imposed by the government, and we have to follow it. Okay, so legal environment includes our court system, justice system, different laws, employees law, workers law, company law, partnership law, everything which is related with the law, with the act, with the code will be in legal environment. Okay, now my question is, yes, now my question is, I'm sure you must understood the 5 dimensions. Now my question is, nowadays, due to corona pandemic, people are ready to use online banking transactions like me. Online banking transactions by sitting at home. Which business environments affected here? Which dimensions are affected here? Yeah, Shishir, please, one dimension, my dear. Unmute yourself, my dear.
Technological.
Yes?
Technological.
Yes, technological. Very good answer, technological, because due to technology, it is possible for me to do the online transactions. Yes, by sitting at home. Another one, yes, Sudhanshu, after so many days, am I not teaching properly? Yes, Sudhanshu, which other environment affects you? Yes, Dion. Garbage.
And social environment.
Social environment. Yes, exact answer. Social environment, because now society is ready to take the benefits of online facilities. That is two environments of economic also, but generally we should go, if they said two, we will give the two answers. Okay. I'm sure you must understood today's topic. You should learn the keyword, that is staple. Clear? Now next, last, due to corona pandemic, the Indian government and state and central government imposed Janta curfew. If the people will come out, they have to pay penalty. If they will not wear mask, they have to pay penalty, otherwise there will be some punishment. Gautam, which business environment is indicating here?
Legal. Legal.
Very good answer. Yes, exact, legal. Bilkul correct. Very good. So I'm sure you must understood. Now last talk. New generation is not ready to take the old models of cell phone. They always prefer to buy those cell phones which are of advanced technology, advanced features, different shape, size, color, design. Which environment affects here? Which environment indicates here? Arslan, please.
Technological.
Technological. Very good answer. Last question. Due to which environment online teaching is possible? Work from home is possible. Yes, Naman. Due to which environment?
Technological.
Good answer. Because due to technology, it is possible I can interact you. You are sitting at home, see the relaxed way. Okay, my dear children.